Hello everyone, in this video we'll be showing you why you should never buy a diamond just based on a GIA certificate. Over here we have two diamonds. Both diamonds are 1.02 carat GVS2 and are triple excellent stones. The diamond on the left, diamond A, is clearly performing much better than the one on the right, diamond B. The top half of the screen is showing both diamonds under fluorescent light, where you can analyze the diamond's brightness. Even though both diamonds are the same color, you'll find that the right diamond appears darker and duller, especially on the middle table area. And under the LED light on the bottom half of the screen, you can clearly see that diamond A has a much stronger fire and scintillation. You must be wondering what's going on. How can two similar diamonds of the same grades perform so differently? Now let's have a look at that GIA certificate. As you can see, both diamonds have identical grades on the certificate. 1.02 carat, GVS2. The cut, polish and symmetry of both are all excellent, and they both have no fluorescence. Now let's have a look at the proportions. There are some differences in the proportions and angles for both diamonds. These values can be keyed into the HCA tool, which will give us a score to tell us if these proportions are good or bad. Wow, look at this. Big difference. Diamond A has a good HCA score of 0.9, while Diamond B gets a very poor HCA score of 4.9. This helps to explain the drastic difference we're seeing here between both diamonds. The HCA tool uses a mathematical formula to predict the light return, fire, scintillation, and spread. And as you can see, under the fluorescent lighting, diamond B looks much darker due to its poorer light return. And under the LED light, the fire and scintillation are lacking as well. You must be thinking how awesome this HCA tool is. Now let's have another example. We've got two GIA certificates here. Diamond C on the left is a 1.33 carat GVS1, and Diamond D on the right is a 1.41 carat HVS2. Both have excellent grades for their cut, polish and symmetry, and have no fluorescence. Now let's check the proportions. Using these values, we'll input them into the HCA tool. Wow, look at the results. Both these diamonds have superb HCA results, achieving an excellent rating for the light return, fire and scintillation. Now let's have a look at the stones. You must be thinking how come these two diamonds are still performing so differently. Under fluorescent light, Diamond C has very crisp and 8 distinct black arrows, and it looks very well balanced. Diamond D on the other hand looks very dull and messy. The arrows are hardly noticeable, or if not, very unsymmetrical. Under the LED light, Diamond C clearly has more burst of fire with the arrows lighting up. So what's going on here? Both are excellent cut diamonds and have fantastic HCA scores. Let's check out the scopes of them. The ideal and ASET scopes are used to analyze the light performance. Under the ideal scope, both diamonds have a good amount of red areas, which represents light return. However, the right diamond has very unsymmetrical arrows. The ASET scope tells us a little more by revealing areas that have weaker light return, which are the green areas. The right diamond has some patches of green on the top and middle left corners. Also, it has a lack of contrast, which are the blue areas, and have 1 or 2 missing arrows as well. The hearts and arrows scope is used to analyze the symmetry. Similar to the scopes earlier, the right diamond has poor arrow patterning and symmetry. And on the other side, it reveals the poor heart symmetry as well. Most of the hearts are fused with the arrowheads and are not well formed. Unsymmetrical hearts and arrows means that the facets are uneven and misaligned. Ultimately, this will result in poor brilliance. There you have it, guys. Choosing a diamond is much more than just looking at the certificate. The HJ tool is a very useful tool you can use to check a diamond's proportions. However, it is still not enough. Once you've shortlisted diamonds with good HJ scores, you must check their light performance using these scopes. Without them, you'll be making a blind purchase. It's very important to note that one does not work without the other. You cannot rely just on the HJ tool or scopes alone. You'll have to use both the HJ tool and the different scopes together as a package to analyze your diamond before making a purchase. I hope you found this video useful, and thank you for watching.